Before we jump into the query editor, I want to quickly talk about the different sides of Power BI. Now, Power BI essentially has two distinct environments, a front end and a back end. And the front end of Power BI includes the data, the model, and report views, and it's where most of the modeling and analysis happens. The back end of Power BI includes the Power Query editor, and this is where the tools live that allow you to extract raw data, transform it into a usable form, and then load it into the front end. So, digging a bit deeper, the back end tools really allow you to connect to and extract data from platforms using pre built connectors. You can use profile and QA tools to help explore the data and make sure that it's properly cleaned prior to analysis. You can transform and shape tables to add new features, modify values, group records, or sort and transform columns. You can also use merge and append tools to join the queries together prior to loading it into the front-end data model. And then lastly here, Power Query allows you to perform some advanced transformations through writing new M code or by customizing the M code that's been generated. So just as a heads up here, we really won't be covering these types of advanced transformations within this course. Now, the front end of Power BI is all about building data models by creating table relationships between primary and foreign keys. And once we have that set up, we can add calculated measures and columns to help visualize the data using a language called Data Analysis Expressions, or DAX. After that, we want to design and build reports that really visualize the data in our model and create interactive dynamic dashboards. And then finally, we want to be able to publish and collaborate and share these Power BI reports with other people using Power BI Service. So that said, the focus of this section is really going to be on the query editor, or the back end of Power BI. And up next, we're going to dig into some of the types of data connectors and connect to our first data source.